What's ringing, guys? It's Calvin here, and welcome back to Beaumont College South Lakes, making a difference, as our little phrase goes, which is actually on this one. But we're going to be doing another fire alarm test, so welcome to week 3. So let's just make sure we've got everything, and since I didn't pick the one up for the KAC, we need to go back to get the one for the KAC. So, you ready? We're going to start this one first, so just open the door quickly and let everyone know. Alright guys, I'll put some of the keys in my pocket so it doesn't do that, so you're ready? Alright, there we go. We'll leave these ones to last, so we'll get the ones that do it for longer done first today.
Morning reception?
Now we're going to do the KAC next. Here we go, so...
Can I just say, when you figure out, can you give them to me in that window? Instead. Put them down and then I can't find them.
And there we go. Now we'll move over this way. Yeah, so Sarah's going to stay in over the door. We're going to walk over to... Right. Just so everybody knows, there's going to be 4 more sounds of it. So we'll see this one. Hopefully this time, this one doesn't give us trouble. Last time it didn't set off. At least it's worked this time. And there we go. Now one more over there, then we test these 2 and then that's it.
Who is that?
Excuse me, Donna.
Please may I have coffee with 1 sugar and milk tea? Yes, thank you.
Alright, just...
Morning, Kyle.
Morning. And now we'll do this one, and since this one gives us the most trouble around this area. And then this one. And there we go, so that's it complete. And now, at least that one over near the reception didn't give us trouble and it didn't have a fault like last time. But everybody watching, make sure you do it this way and don't do it like like the college was originally going to do it, where you only test one each week. Because, say for example, if we tested this one and then we didn't test the one next to Sarah, and that one needed to be set off and it didn't work, then it would put people in danger. So if anyone does a test like this, make sure you take the advice to test each call point of that accommodation or premises. So we'll see you next time. So if you enjoyed this week's Beaumont College Fire Alarm Test, then please subscribe for future content, and until next time, ring out.